Game, what is going on, guys? And today, I don't know if you've noticed, but your boy got a new VST. Goes by the name of Purity, and that's pretty. It's all right. It's all right. So I was like, you know what? Since I got Purity, let's try making some beats with Purity. And I'm like, you know what? Let's try Southside. Let's see if we can make a Southside type beat slash Pyrex, whatever you want to call it, on Purity. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. I don't know how much that'll work, but hey, we're gonna do what we gotta do, you know? So if you haven't done so already, join the Discord, okay? Also, don't forget to like the video, comment on videos like in the future, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna need you to do that stuff, please, man. So go ahead and do all that, and yeah. So let's open up Purity. Let's go ahead and look at some presets. See what that sounds like reverse, kind of like this. Let's fast that. Nah. Okay, this is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. I'm kind of liking this. Hold up. All right, this is all right. Let's add a counter melody. Let's try and add a counter melody. All right. I don't know. Should I? I'm ready. I like the flutes or like the synths. All right, you know what? Let's add a flanger and some reverb on this, and let's go to the drums because I don't like waiting. Blah, 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 Okay, you know what? The melody's a little weird, but it's done. All right, I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna go straight to the 808s now. I'm not wasting any time. Alright, this is cool. Let's turn up these 808s now. Let's add these kicks now. Alright, hi-hats now. Alright, we're gonna do the hi-hats. These three here. All right, some pretty good hi-hats. Let's get a snare. And you know, that's about it. There it is. There is my Southside type beat with Purity. And yeah, I use just Purity. I thought I used another VST. I said I was gonna use another one, but I was like, you know what, forget it. Let's just use all Purity. So there it is. There is my Purity Southside type beat. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, especially subscribing and joining the Discord. All right, I'm gonna need you to do both those things. Those are the most important things I'm gonna need you to do. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.